Hey everyone, welcome back to Bit9 Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to find your last watched video on YouTube, whether you're using a computer or a phone. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Let's get started. First, let's do this on a computer. Open YouTube and make sure you're signed into your account. Now look to the left-hand menu. If you don't see the full list, click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to expand the sidebar. From there, click on History. At the top of this page, you'll see a list of videos you've recently watched, and right there at the top is your most recently watched video. Click on it to replay it or grab the link. Now, let's go through how to do this on a phone. Again, make sure you're signed into your YouTube or Google account. From the bottom menu, tap on the U button in the bottom right corner. This takes you to your account overview. At the top, you'll see your account name and info. If you're on the wrong account, you can switch it here. Scroll down slightly and tap on History. Right at the top of the list, you'll see your last watched video. You can tap it to play it again, copy the link, or just pick up where you left off. And that's it. Whether you're on a phone or a computer, finding your most recently watched video is quick and easy. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step how-tos.